Alrighty, so we got some more parts for the Mustang. You know, the newest thing that we got here is a sweet new steering wheel. It's a super special wheel, definitely super happy to have it. Monica actually got it for me for Christmas this year. Super awesome gift. I just ended up picking up the hub adapter as well as the quick release hub for it, and so we're gonna start putting it together. And so let's take a look at what we got. Here's the quick release I got. Part numbers. You know the deal. Yeah, let's take a look at this. So we went with the Cleetus McFarland edition MPI steering wheel. It's the flat bottom style. I think they advertise they make it for side-by-sides, but it mounts up just fine in the car. Got this quick release here. Pretty sweet. Nice. Boom. So yeah, we're gonna get these things mounted up together, and then that will go on to the steering wheel hub adapter. So we got the wheel all mounted up to the quick release here. All right, so we got the wheel, and now we got the hub here. We went with the MOMO, just a normal hub here. Part number is the 4525. Bubble wrap. Oh yeah, nice. Get it out the box here. It's got a little ring. And nice. Got a nice boot on the back side of it for your contacts here. Nice. So yeah, now we got all the pieces to the puzzle. So we got to take the old one out first, and then we'll throw this hub adapter on here, and then we'll also throw the wheel or the steering wheel quick release hub onto the end of that, and then this will clamp onto that. Let's get to work taking the old one off. We got to take this horn button, which I think just, oh geez, bingo. All right, old one out. Now this is a 15 millimeter here, and just got to take that out, and yeah, should be actually, I bet you, like nothing. Now we just need to use our steering wheel puller. All right, we got an update here. Monica came in, left the door open. Ziggy's on a mission. Where's he?
He's on the other side.
He's on the other side. Ziggy,
get over here.
Did Zig?
You can't be a car guy today.
What are you doing?
Ziggy?
What are you doing?
This is funny. Get over here right now. You're not.
Get him out of here. You're done. All right, about to get this bolted in here. It does have a little picture here that does say top on it. Not sure if it's gonna read that. Looks like it. Nice. Gonna put a little Loctite on this bolt here. Oh, yep. That's good. Got how quick it comes out. All right. Now, we're gonna take this and go put it on. All right, so we slipped the hub onto the joint here. Now we just gotta tighten that down. Make sure and get it nice and tight. Pretty good. All right, so now that we got the hub mounted on here, we slipped that boot right over, and now we just got to mount up this hub here, and we'll get this thing knocked out. the quick release hub mounted up. Pretty solid. Nice. All right, now we got the hub on here. Totally detachable. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Yep, so overall, pretty simple, straightforward install. One of the critiques I do have is it brings the wheel a lot closer to the driver. And the main reason why that's a problem is I can no longer reach my turn signals with my hand on the steering wheel. And so I gotta actually take my hand off of it to activate the signal. Just for that reason, I am thinking about picking up a shorter hub. They make a short hub adapter, which would cut off a good 2 inches or so. And so I think that might be something that I do, just because I drive this thing on the street quite a bit, and I definitely want to be able to reach my turn signal without taking my hand off the wheel. Yeah, and really the only other thing I got an issue with is in order to make my horn work, I need to buy a horn button that will fit the steering wheel, and I can plug in the 2 wires in the back and get my horn back. Otherwise, this one, pretty much race cars only. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay ripping.